The G. The G. The freaking G. And we got the S. The S. S. Let's go. Yes, sir. What is good, gang? It's your boy Ruby Smooth in the building. We outside though. We're not in the building. We outside right now. We outside. I still can't believe I got an S2K, bro. This is crazy to me still. Like, this was literally a dream car growing up, and now I got it. Me and my cousin was talking about this like maybe 4 days ago, like an idea of just getting a new project car and him getting a new car and selling the Infinity. And then literally from one day to the next, it just kind of happened. My boy was, if you guys haven't seen the last video, my boy was selling this car and I just had to pick it up for a steal, because S2Ks right now, bro, are like going for like $25,000-$30,000, which is crazy. Who is playing this song right now, bro? If you guys hear a song right now, just don't pay attention. But here she is. It's an AP2 2005 S2K. The car came from Florida. If you guys don't know, I'm from the Boston area, so it came from Florida. So you know this has no rust whatsoever. It is mint. Oh my god, yo, this song is not. It's not gonna work out. Let me come in here real quick. Oh fuck. So the car came from Florida, has no rust. This car is like completely stock and has all original parts. I'm gonna show you guys the engine bay. The engine bay is mint. Interior is mint. Everything here is mint. Like, you could tell that the car was driven, obviously, because it has high miles, but like it was well taken care of. So that's why I'm not even stressing the fact that it has high miles. But it's not like I'm gonna be daily driving this car anyway, so that's why it's gonna be a project car. I know I'm barely gonna put any miles on it, so I'm not even stressing that. Look how mint this thing is. Everything is all original, nice and clean. I'm gonna have to repaint that valve cover, but still, look at all the plastic. Look at the bolts on this thing. Like, no rust whatsoever. It is mint, 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 mint. The body is like, I want to say 8 out of 10. Has like, you know, little minor things here and there, but again, no big deal. Other than that, this car is mint. The only issue with the car is the soft top. As you guys can see, it's taped up because I guess the previous owner had some cats. The cats kind of like ripped it up and fucked it up. So the only thing I really have to replace it to get this car like mint would be the roof. Look at this. It's on this side and the other side over there too. So that's the only thing. So when I drive, I'm gonna have to drive with the top down because that shit is fugly. That's something I'm gonna have to do. I've been watching videos on how to like replace it, but everybody says that shit's a fucking headache, so I don't even want to deal with that shit, honestly. But fuck it. Let me show you the trunk. Like, everything is literally stock. Look at this, brand new, nothing. Even got the VIN numbers here. Everything is mint. I even got the VIN numbers right here, still on the bumper. Everything, even the door. You see the door? Everything is mint. This car was taken care of. So I'm gonna have to ruin it now. So you know, I'm gonna have to fuck this shit up. Now I'm gonna try to do like a, bro, they gotta turn that shit off. Yo, how I look in the S, bro. Woo. I low-key wanted something standard too, so cause I kind of miss standard, but Oof, talk to me nice, bro. What was I saying? The interior is mint. Like the seats have no rips. Everything black on black, you know, you feel me? A little bit of rips here and there, but nothing, not even here and there. I just got a little bit of rips right here, but that ain't nothing. Seats are mint. I wish I would have had the all red interior. That shit would have been nasty, but whatever. Black works. So my plans for this car is to have it, for now at least, I don't know how crazy I'm gonna get this year, because you know I have priorities right now because I have a kid on the way. I got a kid on the way and I bought a 2-seater. How does that make sense? But the goal is to keep it stock body. I'll probably end up wrapping it because I don't really fuck with silver. Even though my first car was silver, that's why I'm kind of like just tired of silver. So I don't know. I kind of want to do a full paint, but I don't, because with wrap you could kind of just always swap the colors around. But a nice clean fire paint would be nasty, because I want to keep this car like stock body, but I want to bag it with some nice wheels, camber, you know, nice little stance look. So I'll probably do a stance look for a little bit, switch it up, do the meaty tires. I don't know, but I have an S2K now. I can do whatever I want. You feel me? Like just fire. Like everything just hugs you. You're like, it's like a little toy. You feel me, bro? Like everything is just here, right in your face, bro. Like the only thing that doesn't make sense to me is why they have a key, but then they got to push the start. Like just push the start. Let's say. But yeah, the short shifter on this. So short and oof, nasty. There's a stock radio here. I'm gonna swap out because it sounds like ass. But yeah, all these buttons work. Everything is marvelous. Mint. The hazards for the losers. Man, I hope you guys are as excited as I am, because I've been wanting this car for a while. But yeah, I don't know how soon I'm gonna start modding this car, just because again I got a baby shower coming up. So plus I probably, if I was to sell the G right away, I could use some of that money to maybe modify it, but it might be a little bit, I'm trying to like keep it stock for a little bit, just so I could enjoy the car completely stock for a little bit. But then, you know, I'm gonna have to put in the work, because you have to. This is crazy. But yeah, the paint is pretty mint. You know, there's a couple like things here. There's it's like a little thing right here. So I'm gonna pull up to my boy's crib real quick just to get his reaction. He only lives like the next street over, so if I get pulled over it's because I don't know, because I don't have any plates on right now. So I'm just gonna say YOLO. I'm gonna go over there real quick, get his reaction, see what he thinks of it.
You bought that shit?
Yeah.
Nah, this shit is.
What do you think, bro?
Bro, that shit's hard, bro.
What's good, bro?
Yo, new YouTube series coming out soon. Facts. Yo, what you doing with this?
What do you mean, bro? It's mine, bro.
No, I'm saying, like, what's the future plan?
Oh, bro.
Congrats, my nigga.
Hey.
That shit's hard, bro.
Man, I don't hear no plates on it.
What you be like? Nah, that shit broke, but I'm limpiecito, bro. Yo, where you bought that shit?
What you
at?
think, bro?
That shit hard, bro. That shit is fire, bro. Yo, no YouTube series?
Oh yeah, bro.
No YouTube series?
I'm a Southern Infinity, bro.
Yo, me voy de un trago.
Dale, con todo. What do you think?
This shit is fuck, bro. You gotta convert it. Nah, yeah, that shit's hard, bro. Like, it looks mad clean, too.
Huh?
Putting some bases on my shoe.
On your shoe?
Yeah.
Yo, this nigga's not coming, bro.
Victor?
Yo, look. Shorty's outside, bro. You know why?
Shut the fuck up. ¿Qué pasa? Yeah, right, bro. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yo, this makeup, bro. That's really yours?
Yeah, bro. Bro, I was trying to get you over here, but this nigga Victor was taking forever.
Yeah, this nigga said about that.
Bro, I caught that shit on Thursday, bro. That's. You remember when I called you to pull up? I was gonna show you.
What? How much you crimping on? Yeah. Yo, crazy, bro.
Bruh. Sheesh. Sheesh. Get okay. You wanna come see it?
Yeah, bro. What the?
Hey, sir.
Hello, sir.
You ready for this? You know, I had to get your reaction. Okay, I see you with the new J's on.
Lemon pepper steppers.
You fuck with them?
Yeah. Oh shit. My dude is back at it again.
Alright, let me roll this shit up.
Oh god.
What do you think, bro?
I think somebody should take your card away from you, my man.
My card away.
Yeah, bro.
Sheesh. Hold on. I got like 20 keys in my pocket.
How much?
Like 20 keys.
I thought you had 20K in your pocket. I'm like, damn, nigga, you hit the lottery? This shit's fucking clean.
Bro, it's just stupid clean, bro.
Bro, damn. What the fuck? What year is this?
2005.
One car. My dude is sick. He has fever.
We outside.
My guy has fever.
We outside.
Oh my god.
Let's go for a ride, dog.
Goddamn right. This shit is stupid clean.
What do you think, bro? We outside, dog.
See my friend.
See my license plate.
Can't
Can't even see right now, man. Hey, we outside, man. We outside. Hey, yo, don't stop.
Sorry, I think I went in third. Yeah.
Finally got the car registered, so you know, my little template right there. I don't got a back window, so it don't fit. Bro, this car is so fucking dope. Yo, VTEC. Yo, VTEC is a force on this shit.
This shit's crazy.
Bro, VTEC is crazy on this shit.
Crazy.
Story wants a S2K now.
Yeah.
We got him to fit. He's like fucking 6'2", nigga.
We fitting and this bitch is over now. It's over now.
Yeah, I need an exhaust.
Let's get it, bro.
What's goody, bro?
Nigga, what the fuck is this?
What do you mean, bro? That's the K, bro.
Nigga, what the fuck? Yeah.
What do you think, bro?
This, my nigga. So this, he got a built G, a G37. Got his girl's pregnant.
What the fuck?
Now he got asked, yo, you got money?
You're unfortunate, right?